Emicol, the leader in the manufacture of components for laundry, refrigeration, and cooking, introduces the water drain pumps for washing machines. Emicol is a company of great relevance in its area of activity, with international certifications such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and IATF 16949 for the automotive segment, being present in the most important manufacturers in the world, as well as in the spare parts market for over 50 years. Emicol drain pumps are delivered to all Americas and meet the strict requirements of the manufacturers in the laundry segment, such as Whirlpool and Panasonic, which proves the quality and robustness of the product. The entire development of the product design and its tools are 100% Brazilian engineered, using the vast knowledge and experience acquired with the most important manufacturers in the world. The main electromagnetic analysis and fluid dynamic software on the market are used by Emicol. To ensure high levels of product quality, we test 100% of the drain pumps in the production line, in addition to specific devices in our testing laboratories to carry out validations, durability, and performance tests. Emicol's portfolio of drain pumps is broad, with products for 127 volts and 60 Hz, or 220 volts at 50 or 60 Hz. All versions can be produced with a thermal protector to ensure a higher level of safety in case of overheating, in addition to different types of pump bodies and supports, meeting the needs of customers. Emicol drain pumps are high performance, ensuring reliability and durability in the field with a low noise level. Developed to drain liquids, Emicol drain pumps are widely used in washing machines, but they can be applied in the most diverse products such as dishwashers, pressurized showers, juice machines, and others. Contact us and find out about our solutions.